little bit of drag. It goes in, but a little bit of drag. Goes in, but a little bit of drag. Alright, so the next thing we do is take a pick and get this old seal out this cover. And I have new seals to put in it. Got new Honda seals. It's part number there. Alright guys, next we're going to install this splash guard. And it goes right in here, like that. And those are 10 millimeter. All right, now that we have that, we can go ahead and get this clutch put back on. Okay, the first thing you want to install is this big washer. Goes there. Once you got that big washer in, you want to make sure you got that center washer there. Make sure that's there, and you want to just put that on. Then we install this. I think that was 1 1/16. Alright guys, once you got that nut thread on, you can go ahead and get your impact. Alright guys, now you want to go to this groove and you want to get a punch and just punch this this nut down so it doesn't back out. That's just so that nut doesn't back out. Alright guys, that's the clutch install. Alright guys, so now that we got the gasket on the pan as well as on the engine, we got this new seal here. So what we're gonna do is pop that in. Alright guys, so we're gonna go ahead and try to get this cover back on, and I'm gonna shoot some oil over this right here because I had some trouble getting this off. Alright, so now we grab the case and try to get it back in. That's it. And I just did me a little template so I know where all the bolts go. So I'm gonna just pop all the bolts back in. This is my little template I did. And by me marking it like that, all that does is allow me to be able to keep track of them, of all the bolts and where they go. So I'm gonna put this one here. And then 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 I'm gonna put this one here. I'm gonna go down from the bottom. Put this one here. Next one here. Next one. Bottom. This one. Here. This one. This one goes here. This one in blue goes here for the one in blue. This one here goes on here. This one goes here. This one here. Here. This one here. This one goes here. Alright guys, so we done got the cover on. We already got all the bolts put back in. Now we can go ahead and snug all of them down. Alright guys, I'll go back around and check it by hand, just to snug them up a little bit more. Alright guys, the next thing we're gonna do is put this oil tank back on. And I pulled the old gasket off and put a brand new gasket on. So what we're gonna do is, it's an oil ring that goes here. We're gonna put a little bit of oil on it so that it give it a little persuasion to go back in smoothly. Alright guys, so we're gonna grab the tank. And make sure the oil ring at the top slides back in. Now that that's in, we can thread the bolts. And they're 10mm. They're 12s. Sorry guys, they're 12mm. And they're 5 bolts. We can run them the rest of the way in with the gun. Alright guys, the tank is on. The only thing we have left to install is the shift motor. So I'll go grab the shift motor and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so I have the shift motor here. It's these 2 bolts. Just wipe this out. Shoot a little bit of oil on this O-ring. And they're 10mm. All right, that's that. And I think we have one more thing, and that's that that bar that goes across the top. So let me grab that and we'll be right back. You guys, we have this bar that's left and that goes on either side. Yeah, I think it goes like that. And these are 10mm. And this has a notch on this side, and it's also a notch over here that you can line it up with. Put that there. Go to this side, start this one. Grab the gun, snug it on down. All right, guys, that's it, man. I thank you guys for watching thus far, man. We done tore this engine completely down, just about, other than splitting the case in the middle and pulling the transmission out and the crankshaft out. We did pretty much everything. We did a oil pump chain, a camshaft chain, camshaft tensioner. We did all new gaskets. And that's basically it, man. If you have any issues with trying to get your oil pump chain or camshaft chain changing these engines, man, please comment down in the comments if you have any questions. If it's something that I did wrong and I didn't explain or I didn't tell you about, make sure you comment down in the comments any questions that you have. If it's something, like I said, if it's something that I did wrong, make sure you comment down in the comments so that no one else will make those mistakes. And like I said in all my other videos, man, I'm not a professional. I don't do this for a living. I'm just trying to save money and have me some hobbies to do while I'm saving money. So thank you guys for watching my channel. Thank you guys for tuning into my channel. And I thank you guys for supporting my channel. Make sure y'all go down in the description and look at my other affiliated platforms as far as Facebook, Snapchat, TikTok. All my other links are down in the description, so make sure y'all go check that out. And like I said, like, subscribe. Make sure y'all go ahead and subscribe right now before the end of the video. Y'all should have subscribed at the beginning, but just subscribe right now. And thank you guys for tuning in. I appreciate you guys. I love you guys. Y'all be blessed, and guess what? Peace.